Okay, welcome to another Clojure diary. Maybe long ago or not so long ago, depending on how we view time, I would have put a function called map up, like in this very Clojure diary channel. It'll just receive a function and take these two maps and apply this function on maps. Okay, so like what we can do is yeah, and it is pretty versatile. What to say, what we can just do is okay, map ops plus, and then okay, and these two stuff will be added, and that's the thing. And you can also specify default value 0. Let's say like there is C over here and there is no C over here in the second map, so that will be 0 and that will be added and all those stuff. Okay, so excuse me. This is the way I just did for maps and all those stuff, and turns out there is this very almost very similar method in Clojure, and a guy, very nice guy called what to say, uh, Avinash Sridhar has commented. Okay, so this video is about his comment. Anyway, thanks Avinash Sridhar, and so yeah, let me just open my anti-gravity. So that's the thing, and that's what I use now for Clojure too, right? So you have a thing called merge with. So and it takes a function over here. It's plus, and A is one and B is two, and over here B is three, and you just execute it, and you'll just get like okay, A is one and B is five, right? So that's how it is, right? That's because yeah, the plus sorry the plus what to say it applies on values of the map, and it just then finally just group by keys or something like that. So yeah, and another one is like this update vals. Okay, so I have a map and I can just give a function and it'll just update vals. So over here, if I just give A is 2 and B is 3, and you can do this merge with whatever you want. Let me just put a function called def greatest. Sorry, define greatest. Okay, so and yeah, so this is the thing, and yeah, merge with greatest, and this is the thing. So what will happen over here? Okay, I think yeah, this will throw an error. I just think, or it'll just omit A altogether, right? So yeah, let me just execute greatest, and let me just okay, greatest of 1 2, and then you've got 2, and greatest of what to say 2 1, greatest of 2 1, and you've got this one, and that's good. And yeah, merge with greatest means yeah, and A1 B3, and okay, but I really don't know like what it took as the default value over here, right? I'm not sure, right? So that's kind of confusing for me. But in my implementation, you do have a default value over here. So there is no confusion, right? So if it doesn't apply to this function, okay, like let me just give like, okay, like merge with greatest, okay, right? And then something, this definitely doesn't obey strings, right? A, B, C, and then D, F, D, F, right? Yeah, now it gives an error. So now let's do this. Okay, so something boo or something like that, and yeah, you get an error, right? So right, okay, right. So or yeah, so let me just put one and all those things. I'm not sure like how it takes the default value and all those things, but it seems to work. But this update files, yeah, I'm just what to say, okay with it, and that's the thing, and yeah, and fine, that's the thing, and yeah, and of course you can put whatever functions you want, least and all those things, yeah. So yeah, this is just supposed to be a short video saying that okay, like mostly you can avoid this map ops or something like that, and maybe you can just go with whatever is there in Clojure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we, what to say, put another video. Bye.